This is how it's looking now. Very rusty. Some spots here. A lot of places to fix. So let's begin, shall we?
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know
this is the equipment I'm going to use. Everything is... the sand is going to be set from here.
It's so sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my...
The rust went really deep into the metal, and if I want that the repair will last longer, I want to clean the small brown eyes from the metal. I reckon it's going to take some time, and my suction method didn't come up as good as the hose, as the green hose was clocking. So now I'm using the bottle water. Now the suppressed air is blowing the sand small amount, and the high pressure washer is increasing the speed of the sand. The tandem works pretty well. I was stopping myself from going next to the glass, and I have decided, I think I should try, and now I'm facing the consequences. The glass is ruined. Else looks pretty decent, I think, and I haven't touched this rusted area because it's next to the glass, and one faulty place is enough. You can see even the bottom edge of the glass is completely messed up. I wasn't thinking about the bumblebee because anyways I'm going to repaint it, as it has a bend from the... Anyway, it has some problems, so I want to respray it. Now I'm going to use the wire brush and rust binder with zinc oxide.
I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon.
Water. What's happening here? I'm pretty happy with the results. So all the black eyes and the rust, deep rust, is gone. Now will sand the surface with 220.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
This is the outcome. I don't know how visible it is, but everything looks pretty good. I have missed to spray the clear here, and I haven't decided what I'm going to do with that, but in general I like the outcome, and I think because I was using the powder coat primer, it's going to last for very long. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel